Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the features and specifications of two popular dishwashers, the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher and the Sharp SDW6504MS. We'll explore their design, efficiency, and usability to see which one stands out in the compact and energy-efficient category. The HAVA Countertop Dishwasher is designed for portability, making it ideal for small spaces like apartments or RVs. Its compact size allows for easy placement on countertops without the need for installation. In contrast, the Sharp SDW6504MS is a full-size, built-in model that offers a sleek and modern design, perfect for standard kitchens. Its larger capacity accommodates up to 12 place settings, making it suitable for families. The HAVA Countertop Dishwasher features 8 wash programs, including an ECO mode that optimizes water and energy usage for small loads. However, its capacity limits it to smaller dishes. On the other hand, the Sharp SDW6504MS offers 5 cycles, including a sanitize option, ensuring thorough cleaning for larger loads. Its quiet operation at 52 dBA makes it a great choice for open-concept homes. The HAVA Countertop Dishwasher has a lower upfront cost of $399 and an estimated annual operating cost of $17, making it a budget-friendly option for individuals or couples. In contrast, the Sharp SDW6504MS is priced at $599, with an estimated annual operating cost of $34, reflecting its larger capacity and features designed for family use. While the initial investment is higher, it may offer better value for larger households. In conclusion, the choice between the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher and the Sharp SDW6504MS ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a portable solution for small spaces, the HAVA is an excellent choice. However, for families needing a reliable and quiet built-in option, the Sharp is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.